Hi guys, so welcome back here at DEC Engineering Tutorials. So ngayon, continue tayo sa na-discuss natin dito sa differential equation, yung case 2 naman. Okay, yung case 2. Okay, so yung case 2, ito yung linear differential equation. So malalaman mo na yung given na differential equation is under case 2 if ganito yung itsura niya. No? So like meron kang dy over dx or y prime. No? Okay. Plus yung function of x, then may y siyang kasama. So function of x then y is equal to a function of x. Pero magkaiba to. No? Iba yung equation dito. Iba din yung equation dito. But they are all in terms of x. Okay? Sige. So, pag ganyan yung itsura, yung magiging solution equation mo, ganito. So, meron kang y, no? And then, e, raised to the power, this one is exponent ng e, no? Integration ng function of x dx, and that is equal to the integration of g of x multiplied by e, and then yung e naka-raised to the power of integration of function of x dx. Okay? Oops, sorry. And then dx plus c. So, yun lang. So, pag ganito yung itsura, ito yung magiging solution equation. So, let's have an example para makita natin yung kung paano to i-apply sa problem. Okay. So, ito yung problem. So, let's solve yung x squared plus xy dx plus x squared dy equal to 0. So, makikita mo, pag ganito yung pagkasulat ng problem, so medyo di mo pa malalaman, no? Like kung saan siya, banda. Kung case 1 ba, case 2, or case 3, no? So, the only way to find out is to rewrite, no? Yung equation na to. So, try mo lang, no? Kung alam mo yung case 1, case 2, tsaka case 3 ng mga form, itry mong i-rewrite sa ganong itsura, no? So, ganun lang man din yung magiging parang process mo, no? Like, itry mong i-rewrite siya as a parable kung kaya, no? Kung hindi, edi baka dun siya sa case 2. Itry mong i-rewrite to na makuha niya yung ganitong itsura. If kaya niyang ipalabas yung ganitong form, so meaning, itong equation na to is under case 2, no? Which is linear differential equation. Pag hindi pa rin, probably, baka case 3 yan, no? So, pag case 3, yun yung sa Bernoulli's differential equation. So, pag kaya mong i-rewrite yung equation na to sa ganung itsura, so meaning under yun sa ganun na case. So, ganun lang yung mangyayari, no? If ever yung given na equation is hindi talaga yung nabivisualize natin na form niya. Okay? So, what we do here is to rewrite. No? So, kumbaga, pwede natin i-rewrite yan. No? Like, divide lang natin lahat by dx. So, cancel out yung dx dito. Dito, may dx na. No? Kumbaga, meron kang dy over dx. Ngayon, i-divide natin lahat by x squared. So, yung mangyayari dito, yung x squared dito, maka-cancel out. So, parang ano ka na lang, dy over dx. Dito, pwede nating pwede itong buo na, no? So, kumbaga, x squared plus xy divided by x squared, no? So, kumbaga, yung nangyayari dito, so we just divide lahat ng term by dx tsaka yung x squared. No? Ganun lang yung ginawa natin. Excuse. Okay. So, makikita mo, ito, napalabas na natin itong dy, no? Pero ito hindi pa natin napalabas, no? So, yung gagawin natin, we can simplify yung dito na portion. So, kumbaga magiging ano yan, dy over dx plus 1 plus, kasi x squared over x squared, 1. And then xy over x squared, so 1 over x, no? And then y, no? Equal to 0. So, makikita mo, ito na yung itsura niya, no? So, meaning, pwede natin i-transpose na lang yung 1 dito sa kabilang side. So, magiging ano yan, dy over dx plus 1 over xy equal to negative 1. So, yung nangyayari, ito na yung form, no? So, ito siya. Plus, yung function of x. So, yung function of x natin is 1 over x. Then, we have this y. So, itong negative 1, ito yung magiging g of x. Okay? So, makikita mo, wala siyang x na okay lang din yan. No? Kahit walang x sa equation. No? So, that is also considered as a g of x. Okay? Okay, so since alam na natin na this one is a linear differential equation, so walang ibang solution kundi itong binigay na solution equation. So yung gagawin lang naman natin dito kasi kung ano yung, for example, dito, y, no? So ano yung y, yung function of x, kung ano yung function of x dun sa linear differential equation, yun naman din yung isa-substitute mo dito. Ano yung g of x, isa-substitute mo lang yan. So, kumbaga, yung mangyayari, ito yung solution equation natin. And then, we just need to substitute yung mga values, no? So, yung mangyayari, yung y at is yan. Yung function of x, ito yung 1 over x, no? Ayan. Dito din, 1 over x. Yung g of x, ito yung negative 1. So, ayan, negative 1 tayo dito. Okay? So, we have this y, e, raised to the power integration of dx over x is equal to the integration of negative 1, e, raised to the power of integration of dx over x, dx plus c. So, makikita natin na yung integration ng dx over x, naka-formula na yan. Eh. So, alam natin that is, di ba? Ito. E integration of dx over x. Integration ng dx over x is ln of x. And we know by property ng logarithm na pag yung ln, naka-base e yan, cancel out yung dalawa. Yung matitira yung x na lang. Okay? So, property na yan, no? Nung exponent. Okay? So, meaning, itong term na to, x pala yan, no? So, pwede natin i-rewrite yan as 1x, yx is equal to the, pwede natin ilabas na lang yung negative constant 1, no? So, kumbaga, negative 1, integration, ito alam natin, this is x. So, x dx plus c, no? So, ngayon, pwede natin i-integrate to, no? So, very obvious na ito siya. Yung x, derivative of x, no? Parang ganyan. So, alam natin na this one, pwede natin gamitan ng power formula, no? So, kumbaga, magiging ano yan? Yx is equal to the negative. So, power formula. So, kumbaga, naka-exponent 1 to. So, plus 1 ka. Then, kung ano yung new exponent, yun yung magiging denominator, no? So, kumbaga, meron kang 1 dito plus 1. So, meron kang 2. Then, kung ano yung dito, ibaba mo din yan. Yung denominator, no? Kumbaga, meron ka ng negative 1/2 ng x squared plus c. And then, yan na yung sagot. Okay? So, ganun lang naman, no? Itong case 2, no? Na linear differential equation. So, sa next na video, i-discuss natin, no? Or magbigay tayo ng example under case 3, which is yung Bernoulli's differential equations. Okay? So, yun lang, guys, no? So, see you in the next video. Thank you.